Yeah, and others. I just wanted to show you how good this UI is. See this? So it asks like keywords, enter comma separated values. So whenever you press the comma, it becomes this. Then when you go back, like I cannot go back now. That's maybe the only thing that's not the best. I cannot go back with the arrow. But whenever you click here, it enters that field and you can still edit it. However, when I click outside again, like the dot comma doesn't work, but I think it's fine. You can click the cross, then it's immediately removed. Like you can click backspace, then you go back into it. Yeah, I think this is the best UI I've ever seen for entering keywords. So I think it would be great if you could also try to make this for a React native form. So like we have like a an input field for this type of thing, like where you have different values, multiple values that you have to type in yourself for one input field. So anyway, that's a shorty for me. See you later.